Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. My name is Priscilla and this is what I hope will be the first of, I don't know, many videos that I can share. I am currently living in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area. I'm originally from Florida. I say that because I lived there for 40 years and that feels like home to me. I am 61 and a half, actually I'm almost 62 years old, and I have made a big decision this year. My parents died last year, one right after the other within a week of each other, and after having taken care of them for a long time, something that I consider to be a great blessing, I've decided that I want to pare down everything, sell everything I have, and like many other people my age and younger, move into an RV. So I hope to be able to post the adventure of not only planning for doing this big thing that I'm planning to do, but also be able to document the process of purchasing my first RV and doing some renovations on it and taking off on that first big trip and so on. I've done a lot of research and I've decided that what I want to get is a Type C motorhome, Class C, or potentially a Class B plus. It just depends on what I can find in my price range that fits my needs. Not looking for anything really big, maybe 26 footer. I have a smart car that I plan on flat towing, either flat towing or towing on a, what do you call it? Anyway, towing on the thing that you put on top of the car. And you're going to find that I do this a lot because the brain just doesn't quite fire off the way it should be. So I apologize for that. It'll come to me later. On a carrier. So my plan is to do that and be able to travel the country and just see so many of the beautiful places that there are in these United States. And I'll probably be traveling with my sweet dog and best companion, Darcy, and my mother and father's dog, whom I'm taking care of. She's a Chihuahua. Her name is Rosie, and Darcy, by the way, is a chocolate lab, and I'm sure you'll be seeing her. There she is. Hey, Darcy. You say hello? Hi. Hi. This is Darcy. She's going to be my buddy traveling, isn't she? Anyway, my hope is just to start a channel on YouTube and kind of record the journey from the planning stages through the purchasing, through the renovations, and then, as I said before, through that first trip. And appreciate any comments or any recommendations or any good thoughts or vibes that you might have coming my way, because I've never done anything like this, and I'm kind of an introvert, and so the traveling part, it's perfect for somebody that's an introvert, but I'm hoping that this will be a journey where I can meet new people and see new places and continue to grow and develop into my retirement years. And then eventually what I'd like to do is settle somewhere in probably North Georgia in the mountains, someplace where the seasons aren't too extreme. Make that home base, small little cabin somewhere, and then continue to use the RV to travel and visit friends and family. I have family in Florida. My grandkids, most of my grandkids are there, and of course I have a lot of friends there, having lived there for 40 years, and I have friends all over the country, but the majority of my friends are in the state of Florida, in the Sunshine State. So I hope to be able to visit there frequently. So that's it. It's my first video. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to try this editing thing. I'm going to try to be as short and concise, but hopefully be able to share my experience. So if you're thinking about doing something like this and you've been held back and you didn't know if it was something you wanted to do, that maybe through my experience you can gain the courage to go ahead and make that leap. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.